And it's really easy to make some assumptions. So a lot of brands that I talk to that are still trying to figure out their process might say, you know what, it is decentralized. Each of these locations are managing it independently and search is evaluating it independently. Or any issues that I have are relevant to local. It doesn't necessarily add up. But that's really not true. AI is looking at all of your locations, forming an opinion about you. Are you consistent? Are you trustworthy? Are you guys keeping these things up to date? Is it accurate? If I can trust your brand as a whole, talking as the LLM here, then I can recommend you at the local level. So it's really not just subject to your one location in your one area. It's, are you trusted with your data across the web? And if so, and it's consistent, then yeah, I'll recommend you to Kaci McBride asking about, the best place to buy a coffee in Pittsburgh. Because that's just the way that it is able to kind of process bulk data and then make specific localized recommendations. And what can happen when your data is inaccurate is ChatGPT or Perplexity or these other LLMs may actually make certain assumptions. They might reflect data from a different source that you weren't thinking of. And then suddenly there's inaccuracy served up to your customers. And if it's aware of those inaccuracies, or if it gets challenged, or it discovers all of these inconsistencies and inaccuracies, it's not going to recommend your brand. And it is going to sour the perception of your brand that the LLM has in its ability to serve up to customers. So again, it's essentially deciding, is this consistent enough to trust? How accurate and complete is it? And then using that as a judgment to send out your brand to consumers.